Okay, so follow-up visit. I haven't seen you since April of 2024.
Yeah.
Now we're in February of 2025, so it's been
Yeah.
a while. So the last time we saw you, we did a couple ring dingers, made a difference. We haven't
Yeah.
seen you since, so we'll do a follow-up. Let me see what you look like, just standing. Just like that. Stop right there. It's good. You can stop. So most of your symptoms are lower back on the right side?
Always lower back, on
Okay.
the left, on the right side.
On the right side. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do is, being that it's been so long since I've seen you, we're going to start with the traditional chiropractic stuff,
Okay.
and then finish with the ring dinger adjustment.
Okay.
So let's go face down. So a lot of times people wonder, great question, how often do you need to do this?
Yeah.
So routine chiropractic care, like me, I go to the chiropractor once a week, right? But that's me. You know, I fly in planes back and forth. I see a lot of people. But with the ring dinger technique, we generally help people with their symptoms, and then they come back on an as-needed basis. So what we're looking at is, we're looking at left leg is short, right? And then you want to pull up so you can see that? So left leg is short. And it's not that he has an anatomical short leg. This is a functional short leg. Because we're going to go into flexion, and you can see easily that leg crosses over. All that is, it's a positive deer field in the chiropractic terminology that points us in the direction of where to look. So we're looking at either a left SI joint up in here, right in here, but you said most of your symptoms are on the lower right side, like up in here. So as always, we don't chase symptoms. We're going to address the alignment of the whole body. So take a deep breath in and let your air all the way out. Good. Breathe in and let it out. And as you can see, I'm putting a lot of force into it. My elbow stays nice and locked out, so all the force is getting absorbed by the table. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3. Good. All right, I'm just going to go back. Okay. That looks pretty damn good to me. And it stays even both in flexion and extension. So that's a positive finding. Okay, and as always, we're not just going to treat someone at the area of chief complaint. We're going to do a whole body chiropractic adjustment. Drop. There we go. Nice and solid. Drop those arms down. Okay, breathe in and relax. Good. And down. Clean. Beautiful. Lay on your back. Lots of movement today. Do the manual. Drop it. There we go. Leg pull. Right here. Drop it. Good. Stay right here. We're going to adjust. Drop this. Elbow. Ankle. Slide down a little bit more. Come down. Okay, so being that you're tall, your posture is a little, use some improvement. Good. Glenohumeral. Sternoclavicular. You'll see we'll change up the adjustment depending on what the patient presents with. Glenohumeral. Sternoclavicular. Okay, good. Sit up facing the side. Sit right here in this middle cushion if you can. Just sit right here. All right. Good. So we're going to get your posture because your shoulders are going forward. So bend this elbow. We're just going to mobilize. Good. And mobilize this shoulder. Good. Drop it. Good. Okay, hop up and let's go on this table. Okay, so your hips are right about here. Slide up a tiny bit, up a little bit. Good, right there. Okay, good. Hands go here. So these pads are nice and padded, but you'll still feel it. Okay. I want you like flat, like that. Okay, good. All right, so I'm going to raise the bed up a little bit more to where his legs are parallel. Okay, good. Let me see both hands, please. Breathe in and out. Okay, good. Interlock your fingers together. Good. Take a nice deep breath in and let it out. Good. The pull is going to be coming from right here. Good. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Take a nice deep breath in and let it all the way out. Good. Breathe in again. And out. There we go. Okay. You okay with that, huh? All right, so big pull. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of pull into that along that y-axis. 2, 3, 4, drop. Good. 2, 3, drop. That was beautiful. Stay right there. Good. Still kicking. Wait till this comes to a complete stop. Okay, turn on your side and then stand up. Stand right here. Perfect. Like this. Shoulders back a little bit. Okay, good. Try walking around. Tell me what's different.
I walk easily.
What's that?
I feel less tight here.
Less tight.
Yeah.
See, once in a while you come in for tune-ups. All right, so that was a visit.